Agatha, why is there a student crying in the corner? You scolded her? For what? Did she commit any grievance? Did she give the wrong medication? So why is she crying? What did you do? What? She did not greet you good morning. Why are you the sunshine? Who the hell are you? Did you introduce yourself? She should know. They are students. You have to be the role model. You have to introduce yourself and don't assume that they know you already. They came here, they paid a lot of tuition fee. Come here and be scolded by you just because they did not greet you good morning. Where is the sense of that? She is crying. Did you see yourself in the mirror? How would they say good morning? Your face is crumpled. I mean wrinkled. Yeah, look at yourself. Agatha, before you require them to say good morning to you, you have to set example first. You expect them to greet you. They don't even know you. Don't assume that they know everybody here. They come from different schools. Remember the golden rule. Do unto others what they want to do unto you. Go and apologize to the student. They come here to practice nursing. You're scaring them off already.